Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. Went into the shop where I bought a bunch of little Lego clone kits a few weeks back, I think it was now. I think it was 4 construction vehicles, and when you built all 4 of them, you could then combine the 4 of them to make a 5th one. Well, same shop today, and they got these dinosaur eggs, £1 each, which is pushing it a bit really for what's inside. There's not a lot in there for £1. I bought 5 of them. Unfortunately, it's a set of 6, so I'm missing one. I'm missing that red one there. So I'll have to keep my eye out, see if I can find one. If I take that label off carefully, we might be able to see the 6. Right, so I would guess Tyrannosaurus, Stegosaurus, could be any of them, Diplodocus, something like that. Sorry, Diplodocus. That's the one with the thingy on its tail, the Thagomizer, and the I'll call it a pterodactyl for now. Somebody's going to tell me that's wrong. So yeah, that would be the set of 6, but I've only got 5 of them. Whether I put them in the car to do, or whether I just use them as a little infill while it's miserable weather and I'm not very well and better off staying at home. When I was paying for them, I did actually notice that on the bottom they're numbered. So that one's number 4, 3, 5, 6, 1. So 1, 3. We're missing number 2. It looks like it's falling off the table in the thumbnail. Yeah, there we go. So I'll do them at some time. I've done quite a few little Lego clones. So there is a playlist for them. There's also a playlist for all my dinosaur kits. Because I know some people just love dinosaurs. My grandson used to. He has actually grown out of it now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.